Hey everybody, thanks for stopping back in. Just got done with work and I just want to take 1 second to let you guys know how grateful I am, how thankful I am for all the support. You know, I've been on YouTube roughly a little over a week now and have some great views. You know, I've gained subscribers. I'm thankful for every last one of you, and I just wanted to let you guys know that. So I'm at lunch right now. Well, about to go to lunch with my grandmother, my mother, my beautiful wife, my beautiful little 15-month-old cutie daughter. So please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive on into this video. All right, everybody. So what I got here is I have a set of headlights. Now I ordered 2 sets of headlights, but they're both the same. What I did is I ordered one from eBay and I ordered one from Amazon, and I wanted to see the quality between the two different products that they sell. Now I know it's not Amazon that sells this exact headlight housing. I know it's not eBay that sells this exact one, but it is, you know, coming from their delivery service and their customer service. So I wanted to see basically which one arrived first. Now I ordered Amazon 1 day earlier and I ordered eBay a day later. Now honestly, it's a bit surprising to me of the outcome. So stay tuned, let's crack this open and let's see what happens. With smoked because I've had smoked previously and I really just like the look of them. Now I've had smoked, and the smoked I had were from Spider and it was really dark, and I was told that typically when you order these eBay ones or these Amazon ones that they aren't as dark as what are in the pictures. Now my first initial thought as soon as I opened it up from the box was these are the Amazon ones. Now the Amazon ones I ordered on a Saturday, they came on a Thursday. The eBay ones I ordered on a Sunday, they came on the same exact Thursday. But the first absolute initial thought out of the box is the fact that everybody else says is they are not darker than what is described. Now I will leave a link for both of these in the description, and they aren't. They're not nearly as dark as what is shown on the internet, shown on both websites, and quite frankly that's kind of good. Because I will be putting LEDs in them. I don't have the LEDs in right now. I still have my burnt out headlight. That's coming on the way, and I'll let you guys know what I decided on and why I decided on. If you stop on my Instagram, you'll probably see very soon what ones I ordered, and I'll let you guys know on there. I like to let my Instagram know what I ordered when I order it versus when it arrives. So the eBay ones actually came obviously 1 day earlier than the Amazon ones, which is really no big deal, but maybe it is to some people. It really isn't to me. What surprised me is the eBay ones came with replacement grommets, which is kind of nice because the grommets that are on mine right now really aren't that nice and they don't hold the seal, and I actually have to replace a couple of them. So that's something that the Amazon ones didn't come with. Now you can probably see from the video, I don't know if it'll show up on the video, but the eBay ones, they're a little green. I don't know if it's because of the chrome on the inside and the type of tint they decided to use on these, or I don't know exactly how you smoke out a lens. You know, I know they have paint and stuff, but for some reason it looks a little green to me. And this is a lot lighter than I anticipated, which, like I said, again, isn't the worst thing because it doesn't put out that much light. Now I'm not really too worried about how much light my headlights put out because I do drive in the country a lot, and my LED fog lights that I have from Rigid Industries really put off a nice amount of light that I don't have to worry about it too much. I've been driving around with a burnt out headlight for a month and a half now anyways, so I'm pretty used to it. Now the second opinion I had is the packaging. Now when I opened the Amazon one, it was pretty basic. You had your headlights in expanding foam, and then you had these just in a box with some bubble wrap on them. Pretty standard for pretty much anything you order nowadays. Expanding foam is the way to go. The eBay, I was a little bit surprised. It actually has molded styrofoam inserts for the headlights themselves. And then, obviously you can see right here, both running light came with a separate box, unlike this one. This one was just in bubble wrap, ready to hit each other. It was loose. This one was in its own individual box, bubble wrap and saran wrap. These ones did not come saran wrap. These ones only had bubble wrap on them. Both headlights had saran wrap on them, which again is pretty standard, but I was a little bit surprised that the Amazon typically has good packaging, which the eBay one had much more packaging, and it was definitely higher quality, and quite frankly came in a better box than the Amazon one did, which again is surprising, but not surprising. I know I'm not ordering custom headlights to where they should be packaged and packaged and packaged and protected and protected and protected. I know what I ordered, so it is what it is. So I am going to decide to go with the Amazon ones, and the reason why I've decided to go with the Amazon ones is based off the fact that I opened these up and they're tinted, they're smoked, but they look green. I don't know what it is about it. I don't know why it's green. I will end up sending these back because it just is not what it's not what the picture shows. This picture on, again, link in the description, this picture of these headlights is way darker than what is described here. These at least look black. These ones don't even look black from the person. I really hope the camera picks that up, but if it doesn't, you might not want to find out. So these ones, again, not packaged the best, but definitely are clearly more true to what the picture describes and what even the reviews that people post on them on Amazon's website prescribes. Now, I'm not by no means sponsored by either of the two companies that produce these headlights. I'm not sponsored by either eBay or Amazon. This is my own little experiment that I wanted to do. I wanted to see what it's like. I wanted to see the quality of the two products. You know, eBay came in at $67. Amazon came at like $88. You know, it wasn't what, I'm not breaking my arm over this. So, but I work hard for my money. We all work hard for our money, so it doesn't matter. You know, you care, even if it's just a $50 purchase, you still care about that $50 purchase, and you want it to be what you ordered. And quite frankly, between the two, the eBay one just is not what they advertise, and the Amazon one is a little bit more like what they advertise. So I'm definitely going to end up going with the Amazon one. Now I am going to do that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I'll be installing them. I'll show you how to install them. They're super simple. I think headlights are one of the easiest installs to do on a Silverado, especially these cat eyes. I know the GMCs are pretty much the same exact way, so stay tuned for that on Wednesday. It'll be a quick video, but if you don't know how to do it, you'll find out. So again, thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please do. I'm gonna keep the content coming. I have stuff in the works. There's gonna be parts coming in slowly, especially next month. I got some good plans. So again, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.